Today, we are living a data-driven life, and data is influencing our day-to-day decision-making. From supermarkets to social media, and from high street banks to websites, every organization is constantly collecting data and using it to increase profitability and drive customer satisfaction. To extract insights from data, organizations need specially trained people called data analysts. Data analysts are the brainpower of today's organization. The job of a data analyst is highly rewarding and in high demand, but organizations find it difficult to hire trained analysts. It is estimated that for every 100 analysts needed, only 20 are available, which leaves a huge gap in the market. We at Analytics Leap offer a range of courses which can help you start your career in data analytics. So, what are you waiting for? Start your risk-free trial today and take the leap into the world of data analytics.